All right. Where's the joint at?
In there.
Whoa. All right, so first weekend done. It's Labor Day weekend, so we got an extra day, even though yesterday we kind of killed the whole day anyway, but we got the upstairs demo, so let's go check it out. We'll do a flashback, but there was this like faux wood floor here. Was it real wood? What was that?
No, it was like engineered hardwood, just a section of it.
Yeah, a section of it that kind of came up to the, like, probably to about here with the carpet, and then it met with the carpet, but it kind of matched better with the stairs. But we took that out, ripped out the carpet here, come into the, what's going to be the office, I guess. So not really much done in here. I mean, we ripped the trim out, we ripped the carpet out, nails, all that kind of good stuff.
Yeah,
so we got to scrape that wallpaper off. And then, you know, spackle and fix all these little holes and stuff. But probably going to keep all this shelving in this closet. It's actually pretty nice.
We're also going to replace the doors.
Yeah, which that's going to be a fun challenge because we talked about this already, I think. But
yeah,
you know, the 3-inch doors. So we got to either find 3-inch doors or cut them down or pack out the wall or whatever.
2x3 wall.
Or a 2x3 wall, right? Took the shelves and doors off the linen closet. So actually, let's do the master last. Let's just go show the rest of the, you know, the bathroom. This is the hall bath. This is
all up,
all demoed. So that was the tub shower combo. This was the double vanity over here, and that was the toilet. So all this is gutted and ready to rock and roll.
Insulation's still up just to keep the AC in the building somewhat.
Yeah.
We found out that this is R11 insulation.
Yeah.
So if you want to know how far we've come since 1977, they make us put R49 in now.
Get
for
out of here.
attics.
49.
R49. Anyway, this is, and we're going to keep this the same layout anyway, so.
All right, the one bedroom, this will be one of the guest bedrooms or Hugo's room or whatever. So it's all gutted, carpets up, nails pulled, you know, nothing special.
Yeah, and we're not doing much in these bedrooms, which is nice. Is electric. It's actually, they're PVC boxes. So that, like, 1977 must have been on the cutting edge of the boxes back then. But what we'll do is we'll change these outlets out to white outlets, make it look more modern. Put a nice base trim down. Put a ceiling fan box up. You know, paint it, carpet it.
That's
put
it.
Put new doors up, and that's it. Yeah. So we ain't doing a whole lot over here.
Yeah, it's nice.
And then this is the other side bedroom. Same deal.
Same thing.
We got some nail pops up here we got to fix and stuff like that, but not that big of a deal.
Not a big deal.
We found out that the subfloor is, I forget what it is. It's like some kind of homeless soap junk. Composite particle board or whatever.
Yeah.
It's not actual plywood, but whatever. It works.
So we had all the tools and everything in here, so we didn't get the carpet up in here, but let's look at the bathroom real fast. Bathroom is gutted. So, you know, we have to, we're keeping this window for now, but let's talk about our game plan because that's the funny.
Well, here, you can see right out here.
Right.
So this is, right out here is below the garage. And a lot of people, we've seen across the street, the neighbor, whenever you buy an existing house and you're like, oh, what do I want to do with this house? Talk to your neighbors or whatever.
Yeah,
see what they did on the street. See what they did with their house. If it's a neighborhood that was all built at the same time and other people have additions in certain spots and stuff like that, it gives you ideas, or, you know, you already know what you can do. So, boom, right across the street, we're thinking we want to lay this out somehow to get a nice big master bathroom and a closet.
Yeah, we were like racking our brains, like we're gonna have to, you know, bring out here, and what do we want to do for that closet? Because the closet's not that big. Well, Mike spotted the house across the street, which is the same exact house as ours, except he built an addition on top of this garage. So that's not our definite plan as of right now.
Just a second floor addition. Basically, he cut this roof off, built a wall up, and then put a gable end going into the roof on this back end. So basically, it's 200 square feet from end to end. It's not a whole lot, but it's perfect for
getting a bigger master bedroom, master bath, master closet.
Yeah.
So we're going to talk to an architect. We're going to talk to Mike has a buddy that runs I don't know what, or
construction company.
He's a GM at a construction company, GC, and he's got a framing crew. So we'll see if we can get them in there. You know, my wallet, it's downstairs, and I can still feel it burning right now. So Mike, he got me good.
Yeah.
But if we do it and we do it right, it'll be really nice in here.
Yeah, it just thinks that you're gonna redo your bathroom and then what? Put the addition on in 5-10 years or something?
Right.
Like, nah,
Might
it's
as well
too
do
late.
it now, right? Let's go outside and kind of show them what we're talking about. So you can see our neighbor across the street here has the same 3 windows, the bay window, and he has the 2-car garage on the side. If you turn around here, we got the 3 windows, the bay window, and then we have the 2-car garage. So he just kind of took that off and added up top. So if we do that,
Brought this wall straight up.
right?
And then gabled into the.
Yeah, you can see the gable
ridge up
over
there.
here. If you turn back around, that gable up top. See if I can kind of, yeah, something like that. So we'll see if we can do something like that and really make this house really nice.
Yeah, and Rich is also on a time crunch though.
Yeah, it's
Kind of on a time crunch.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'll publish this where Ilana won't see it, but
Yeah.
we'll be living in a construction zone for a while, so
Yeah.
it is what it is.
Yeah. Once you do that, you open up a whole can of worms.
Yeah.
Siding, roof, Then you do.
I
you
wanted to
wanna redo the
reside
whole
this
siding.
stinking house anyway.
You
'cause
gotta.
I just hate that yellow. The yellow is so
Yeah.
gross, but
But you can do that later on. Once you open up that can of worms, it's do you match the existing siding for now and then re-side it again in 5 years, or
Right.
do you just redo all the siding and now you're siding in the wintertime? It's
Yeah.
like, and another thing, HVAC. Do you have to add HVAC when you add that square footage, or is your system big enough to handle it now? And all types of stuff. So
what we'll probably do is get that hallway bathroom done, get the other 2 bedrooms done. Hugo will live in 1 bedroom. Ilana and I will live in another. I'll have to make my office downstairs. We'll live in here as we wrap up the addition, if we do it, which I'm kind of leaning towards doing it at this point. So, all right. Happy Labor Day. We labored.
first weekend done.
First weekend done.
Give us a thumbs up, Rich.